welcome back to the How Many More channel with me, Kip. So today I've got one big question to ask, and that is 2022 the year of the Jordan 4? We've started pretty well already. So in January we got the Jordan 4 Red Thunder, so that was in the black and red colorway. Then in May we got the big drop, probably the biggest one yet, and then in the most demand and the most L's for me, which was the Jordan 4 Military Black in the white, grey and black colorway. And then in the last month, in June, we have had a lot of drops, and this time a lot of success for How Many More. So first up, let's have a look at what we got. So the first pickup, which was not for me because these are exclusive women's size, is the blank canvas. So these are my sister that managed to cop these. So here we have them in hand. So here we have the blank canvas. As you can see here, this is an all canvas shoe all the way through, even in the midsole, and these are in this kind of cream off-white sort of sail color with the white eyelets, and we also have the reflective Jordan Jumpman logo on the tongue and on the back, and then you can see just this kind of off-white cream paneling as well, and at the bottom we just have a few different colors there, kind of playing on the name with the blank canvas. And next up, also in June, and this time a big W for me, was the Jordan 4 Zen Master. So these are said to be named after NBA coach Phil Jackson, who was the coach of MJ's Bulls and Kobe's Lakers. Took them to multiple championships each, and the most successful coach of all time. And if you've seen The Last Dance, or you've kind of seen a little bit behind what his story is about, he used some kind of Zen Buddhist techniques in some of his coaching, and he was known as the Zen Master, and that is where the name comes for these. And so let's have a little look at what we got. So here we have the box here. That's a pretty nice box. And what you can see here as well, which I really like, is the inside of the box. So these are called Amethyst Wave color. So you can see some of the coloring there already. And if we have a little look inside, we unbox. And here we have them, Jordan 4 Zen Master. So you can see the colorway here, like I said, it's called Amethyst Wave, and you can start to see the kind of pinky purple and the patterning there. And so these are pretty cool in terms of material as well. I'll kind of give you a close look there. So these were a canvas upper with some kind of textured detailing on them. We've got the black mesh upper to match with the black laces and the black paneling, as well as some black outsole. Then we have the grey paneling on the midsole and translucent on the upper there as well. So we also have the matching kind of translucent pattern on the back of the shoe, and then the matching black Jumpman logo on the back. So these are super cool drop, really happy with these, but we've still got plenty more to come this year. Let's have a look. Next up in this potential year of the Jordan 4, we have the Jordan 4 Infrareds. So these are rumoured to be coming on the 24th of June, so right around the corner, so we're ready to try and cop these. So these come in a two-tone grey upper, so we've got the lighter and the dark grey there, both in this nubuck material, which almost looks like a kind of smooth suede, which gives a nice detail, a nice look to the shoe, and quite unique as well. Then we have the infrared detailing, so as the name suggests, we have the infrared colour on the eyelets and on the Jumpman logo. Then we've got this black mesh upper to match with the laces and the paneling. Then we have this cool black and white midsole, and then we have a grey outsole to finish. Next up, we have a summer release of the Jordan 4 Canyon Purple. So these are rumoured to be dropping August the 11th. They've already changed a few times the dates, so just make sure you stay locked into the channel and the Instagram to keep up to date of all the releases and any changes to any dates of them. So these are really cool, but unfortunately for me, just like the blank canvas, they're a women's exclusive. But I really like these. I think they give a bit of a Travis Scott vibe, like the ones he released in that purple colorway a few years ago. So these come in a fully suede purple upper with anthracite panels on the upper, back and midsole. And then we have these speckled features on the eyelets and on the sole. Next up, we have one of the biggest and potentially my favourite of all of the Jordan 4 that have been released so far and that will be released this year, and that is the Jordan 4 Black Canvas. And that might just be because they look exactly like Eminem's Carhartt 4s that dropped many years ago, and those are going for 18k on resale. But also they just look cold, and I think they will go with a lot of outfits. So these are rumoured to be dropping a little bit later in the month, the 27th of August. These have a fully canvas black upper with black paneling, and we also have some grey paneling to match with the grey eyelets and the Jumpman logo, and then we have a black, white and cement grey midsole to finish these off. Lastly, from the rumoured releases of the year so far, we have the Jordan 4 Midnight Navy coming October the 1st, so a little bit later in the year. We've got to wait for these, but again, I'm liking these a lot. So these are very similar to the Jordan 4 Fire Red that dropped in 2020, but all they've changed really is the substitution of the red detailing on the eyelets and the midsole paneling, and that has been switched up for this cool midnight navy color. But we still have the white leather upper, the grey outsole and the red Jumpman logo on the tongue to finish off. And personally, I think I want to go for all of them. As much as I want to hold back, I think I'm going to have to, because these all look like a must cop to me. There's plenty more that could be coming this year, but so far these are all the ones that have been rumoured to be releasing. We've started to see some mock-ups of the potential Amamaniere Jordan 4s that could be coming, which look like a work of art. And then potentially some new colorways of the SB Jordan 4 collaboration as well. So there's a lot that could be coming. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and make sure you're following us on Instagram at How Many More Sneakers to keep up to date with all the latest news and developments and changes to all the latest drops. And remember, every Sunday we have the calendar of drops showing you all the latest raffles and drops to make sure you get in line first and get those W's. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.